Oh, hi. Good morning, guys. Cash conversion cycle. It's sort of business basics. Yeah, I was just about to look at Capper. Oh, should we short Bull? I love the idea of shorting a stock called Bull. Let's take a look. Will they let us? Oh, and I want to buy hymns too. Let me take care of that real quick. Okay. Don't know why that doesn't fill right away, but we'll see. Bull. Three 330%. Okay, we bought hymns. Not sufficient shares to available to short Bull, so we're still waiting on that one. I think Nvidia is a good buy. You know, normal caveat supply. S&P now down for the day. Or for yeah, we were looking at this the other day. It'll be the first GLP pill chemically synthesized. So they can make this a really low priced product if they wanted to. Not sure they're going to want to. Good A1C lowering. Weight loss is kind of meh. But how much do you want from a How much do you want from a pill, I guess? Yeah, I'm not sure the stock should be up this much, but it gives Lilly some latitude to expand their franchise into like they're gonna have like 5 different obesity drugs, which is pretty neat. So they're not gonna have the same problem maybe that yeah, I don't know if Novo is that far behind. I mean, they already have oral GLPs. I think it's nice to have a chemical compound, but the chemical compound cuts both ways. It's easy to make, but it's easy to make for a generic too. Um, so that's not something that you necessarily want. Yeah, I mean, with this drug, if you fast forward 10 years and this drug goes generic, you basically got, extreme weight loss in a pill. Um, so yeah, UNH dropped 20%. What? Holy shit! Okay. Andrew Whitty, I don't know, man. He wasn't that great at GSK. Holy moly. I mean, Pialpo, I don't think there's a contest there. I'm just looking for my asthma inhaler. Yeah, I do think that is a problem for CoreWeave. It's now broken deal price, which is a big sign. But yeah, for some reason, I don't want to pull the trigger on this. One of the reasons is buddy of mine is a shareholder. But yeah, CoreWeave is it just seems like a mess. Morning, good morning. Yeah, I feel like I'd sell Lily on this news for a quick trade. This drug isn't that exciting. Yeah, I like him. So just bought some 5 minutes ago. So you must have just joined. Yeah, I wish I could short Weeble. That'd be so cool. I was gonna start the day off by looking at Capricorn. Ah, man. Yeah, it was 80 for a minute. I haven't looked at the short interest for him, so I don't really care. Short interest is funny. It cuts both ways. You don't want the whole world shorting your stock because you're going to sit there and wonder, what the hell am I missing? But if the whole world is short your stock's probably going to go up. So, it's a double-edged sword. Same thing on the other way around. If nobody's short your stock, you'll get this false sense of confidence. But also, if nobody's short your stock, you're worried that, okay, well, there could be a bunch of supply coming in. So to me, it's just not worth spending too much time on. It's kind of like reading tea leaves. You could actually be doing research on the company. Let me just get my asthma inhaler. I'm going to get a shot of Dupixent if it kills me. Every short is not a buy. That doesn't make any sense. Look at cassava. Yeah, I throw a little Galaxy gas in the inhaler. Get some albuterol, some nitrous, all in one shot. Oh, sorry. Thank you. We're up 30 basis points here. The market's down 25 bips. We have a lot to look at. All right, Hertz. Hertz up 20% on 96 million shares. First day in a long time, NVIDIA's not the most volume, right? So congrats to Hertz. Traded 96 million shares so far. It's also a low price stock, so it's easy for it to do that. That's smart, Sean. That's smart. You start doing Galaxy Gas because you heard me and Kanye were doing it. That's really smart. You smart. You loyal. NVIDIA is down 4%, flirting with $100 on 93 million shares. I like it. Remember, I like it while also having beta hedged, so don't get too attached. Oh, Xeon. Oh, wow. Xeon. Isoflurane. That's what I huff. Yeah, we should look at Amex. Dude, I mean, earnings season could be very difficult to keep up with. Plug Power, third most volume. Of course, it's dollar stock, so it doesn't count. Palantir is flat on 31 million shares. Intel down 3%. What point do we buy this thing? On 26 million shares. Tesla down 1% on 26 million shares. Lucid and Ford don't really count, or IQE. Apple and Pfizer are up about 1% each on 14 million shares. Novo Nordisk, wow, down 8% on the Lilly news. Market's overreacting to this. I don't think that the Lilly news is that good, and I don't think the Novo news is that bad. So I put the pair on. Put the pair trade on. Buy Novo, sell Lilly. Fuck it. AGNC Investment Corp up 80 bips. Taiwan Semi up 20 bips on 12 million shares, while NVIDIA is down. Amazon down 80 bips on 11 million shares. Bank America flat on 10 million shares. United Health down 21%. Bone Crusher. That's a big market cap, 400 billion. Well, now it's 400 billion. It was 500 billion. So, woof. United Healthcare getting smoked, and I don't think the administration is fans of United Healthcare. So this is going to be a little bit tricky. QXO down 9%. Alphabet down 2.5%. That's a lot on 10 million shares. Unicure up 38%. We can look at their data in a second. Archer Aviation up 1%. AMD, Applied Digital continuing to disappear, and Supermicro round out the most volume. Let's look at cure real quick. They have breakthrough designation, that's it?